Jump on there, Lloyd. Get on top of it and sit up there. Whoa! Jim, film him from the back there.
What's that?
Film him from the back there.
From back there. Is it still filming? Yes.
No, the other way, the other way.
Oh, that way?
Yes.
Like, oh. I got the sun in the back, like, yes.
You know, when I'm on my free time, you know, I like to just come on my boat.
Do the Titanic.
Sit down, G.
Hold on. Hey.
The other way.
Oh, that way, yeah. No pain, no gain. Oh, the boys. Hands in the air, no hands. Yes, guy. I'm gonna piss myself if I fall off. Hey. Yes, Rob. Oh, it takes an hour to get back as well if you fall in. It takes an hour to get back if you fall in. That's in the boat. Move it. Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I think you need to fucking bottle of that now. Oh my god.
They fucking started pig out and
All of it. Get like 5 minutes of that. No! Guy! Should I start there?
That's gonna be YouTube, dog.
YouTube.
Check out YouTube. 206 species.
Guy! I'm falling! Slow down! Should I start, Bishop?
Oxygen day out.
Yeah. Mental.